everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. I've got a cool video for you today. I'm going to demo a new product that I have just started using that I'm really excited about. And then also for fun, I thought it'd be really cool to give you a behind the scenes overview of how I've been shooting off-roading videos that you've seen here on the channel for the past year. Now, to do a video that's cool with a lot of different camera angles, especially when you're working with a crew of 1 or 2 people, requires a lot of different video equipment. So let's go over what I've brought today. Most importantly, I have my main video camera. We got the second Sony mirrorless camera as well. If we have multiple people filming at once, we have a drone. We have exactly 1 million GoPros and GoPro mounts. And then if you're on a trip that's multiple days long, it's also a good idea to have a laptop so you can offload and organize footage as you're traveling. Up to now, I've had to just hope and pray I have enough batteries for every single device to be able to get through a trip. Or I would use a small power brick like this one where you can maybe charge 2 USB devices. Thankfully, this situation is starting to get better because I now have a 700 watt power station from Bluetti. Now, Bluetti actually reached out to me and offered this unit in exchange for making a video about it and giving you all my thoughts. But this video is not sponsored and they're not gonna be seeing it early. They're gonna see it the same time all of you are. I'm gonna actually use it while shooting a fun off-roading video for my Instagram account. So in this behind the scenes video, you're gonna see me shoot a video, and then also intercut in there is gonna be a demo of this specific power station and all of its features. And if you're interested in what you see today, check my description for some information on how to save some money on one of these for yourself. All right, sound good, everybody? Let's go! Ha-ha! Yeah, I think it was good. My GoPros are dirty, Jordan. I wanted to quickly go over where the GoPros are and why. So because I'm filming by myself today, I don't have like Chris with me or somebody else. If someone else was with me, I actually would have some cameras positioned so that you could actually see without like the vehicle in the shot at all. But because I'm by myself, every shot has at least part of the vehicle in the shot. So right here, you got going this way. On this camera, we have facing forward. We definitely want to also be able to see where we're going, so we have a shot up on the top where we can look forward and you see the hood. Now, another thing I like to do, especially when I'm filming alone, is I want to make it easy to turn all these cameras on and off to save battery. So that's why these two guys are right next to each other. And then we have the one in the middle where you can just reach up and turn it on and off. So yeah, so that's kind of how I set the cameras up today. Leave a comment on how you like to set up GoPros.
Just keep going past me and then crest the hill right at the top there.
Perfect. Well, we're back at the shop to do a brief overview of the power station, its features, what it comes with in the box, just the information you're gonna want in a nice quick manner so we can get back to our video shoot. So specifically, this is the Bluetti EB55 power station. Let's go over all the different power outputs. So the power station has a 700 watt power inverter. We have 4 AC outlets on the front that go from 100 to 120 volt. And this can power lots of different stuff. Actually, right now, you can see it's using 62 watts and that is powering my video light. You can also use this to run some power tools, charge tool batteries, tons of different stuff can run off of this. Now over here on the bottom left, we have a variety of USB outputs. The cool one especially is the USB-C 100 watt output that can support fast charging. And then we have a bunch of 5 volt USB-A outputs. Now, the last one that we can use over here is the 12 volt output that you have right there. Now, one thing that makes this power station better than many other overseas options is the awesome 537 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery that is supposed to last way longer and be able to be charged way more times than cheaper lithium ion batteries. Bluetti claims that this battery can be charged 2,500 times before it won't be able to be charged above 80% of its original capacity. So that is a lot of camping. Now, there are 3 different ways to get power back into the power station once it's all been taken out. Number 1 is the big power brick and plugging it into the wall. This thing is kind of giant and also kind of loud. It has an internal fan, so it's not the, I was hoping that this would be smaller, frankly, but it works really well and it can charge the power station from 0 to 100% in about 3 hours. Option number 2 is a 12-volt power cable that is included, and you can get this from 0 to 100% in about 6 hours in your car or truck. The most exciting way to charge this thing up that I can't actually show you in person, other than the awesome cable that it uses, is a solar panel. So Bluetti sells a solar panel. I don't have one. Hopefully we can work something out where I get one in hand and can test it out for you guys. But that is supposed to be able to charge from 0 to 80% in 3 hours in full sunlight. So that's pretty cool. A couple more cool things is you have a full 24-month warranty. This is the card for that. You have a built-in LED light in the back here to light up your campsite, or perhaps as a safety feature if you're needing to use this on the side of the road. And then I didn't notice this until I got it out of the box. I forgot, I don't think I saw it on the website, but you have a wireless charging pad for your phone right on the top. Awesome, guys. Well, let's head back outside for our video shoot. This is called the drone dance. You gotta do the drone dance, everybody. And that's awesome. Ready. Good shot. Can I get you to pause for a second?
Drone's out that way. I'm gonna come in and get it closer.
Action. Normal shot. Go around this corner here and then hold for me, okay? So I'm gonna just be flying manually backwards. So just go at a nice slower pace, yeah. Good shot. Good shot. Okay, a little faster, Jordan. Or actually, you're going in big ruts, so don't worry about that. Oh, I loved it. Just keep going. So actually, now I'm just getting a top-down shot. All right, battery is almost drained, so I'll go ahead and land it.
Come on.
Okay, well, we have been having tons of fun. The 4Runner is filthy. Jordan's having a good time too, right, Jordan?
Right.
Yes. All right, so let's do a quick demo of charging all this equipment with the Bluetti. So first off, I have the Bluetti plugged into this AC outlet here on the 4Runner because the 4Runner actually has a 400-watt inverter itself. Okay, so for devices that we're gonna charge, we have 3 GoPro Hero 7 batteries right here, GoPro Hero 9 and 10 batteries, my Sony battery, a drone battery, and then I'm gonna throw my phone on top on the wireless charger just for good measure. So first, we can turn on each of these individual different banks. Okay, so we got 38 watts, 74 watts. Oh, whoa, holy crap. 136 watts going out. Let's turn on our USB devices. Nice. We are up to now 160 watts going out or so. And now that you see that we have some drain coming out, the Bluetti is now charging itself as well with the inverter from the car. So now I'm gonna throw my phone on top here too. Looks like the power draw is starting to go down, but still, if we were running 200 watts all at once, this would run for 2.7 hours before this thing would be dead. So you can keep all these batteries alive on your video shoot or campsite with one of these things. Well, guys, we're gonna wrap it up right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more awesome videos. Let me know what you think about the Bluetti, and let me know if you like this style of video. I'm still kind of new at actually getting products for free in the mail, and I want to be sure to make my videos, even if I get something for free, to be honest, to be informative, and not be too salesy. So please be honest, let me know what you think. I'm also very excited to hopefully get the solar panel accessory that goes along with this so that I can use it to charge completely off grid, which is gonna be really, really cool. So anyway, guys, Jordan and I are gonna keep on going that way. So until next time, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself. Bye.